Alright guys, so here's how to do a spell check in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the cell that you want to spell check. So for my case, I will select this cell. Right after that, you need to press F7 in your keyboard. So press F7 and now this dialog box will appear. So now as you can see, for the HW we can replace it like different types of option. So the first one is the correct, so we will need to write how. So we will select that one and simply tap on the change. Now the how is changed. Now for the SPLL we need to place it like spell, so it is correctly selecting the words. So right of that, simply tap on change. And for the check, we got one suggestion, which is check, so we will tap on that and tap on change. And after doing so, you can simply go with yes and okay. So that's how you can simply do a spell check on Microsoft Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.